Imagine standing at the foot of the world's highest mountains, the air crisp and fresh, your heart pounding with excitement. Welcome, adventurers, to the beautiful landscapes of Nepal. Nepal, a landlocked gem nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, offers an allure unlike any other. Its diverse topography, from towering snow-capped peaks to lush green valleys, is a sight to behold. Trekking through Nepal is not just about conquering mountains, it's a journey through a myriad of breathtaking vistas and a chance to immerse oneself in a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. But what makes Nepal truly special is its warm and welcoming people. The locals, with their infectious smiles and unmatched hospitality, add a unique charm to the trekking experience. So, whether you're a seasoned trekker or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of trekking, Nepal has something for everyone. Embark on a journey that promises to be as rewarding as it is beautiful. Here are 5 trekking trails in Nepal that are perfect for beginners. Our first trail, the Ghorepani Poon Hill Trek, is a popular choice for those new to trekking. Nestled in the heart of the Annapurna Conservation Area, this trail offers a perfect balance of adventure and tranquility. It's a relatively short trek, typically completed in 4 to 5 days, making it ideal for beginners. The trail is dotted with charming villages and verdant rhododendron forests, a sight that is especially captivating during the spring bloom. The difficulty level of this trek is moderate, with well-marked trails and gradual ascents. It's a trek that requires minimal acclimatization, making it a comfortable choice for first-timers. The best time to embark on the Ghorepani Poon Hill Trek is during the spring or autumn, when the weather is typically clear, offering unobstructed panoramic views of the majestic Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges. As the trail ascends, the air grows crisp, the scenery becomes more breathtaking, and the anticipation of what lies ahead grows. The pinnacle moment of the trek is reaching Poon Hill, a vantage point that offers an awe-inspiring view of the sunrise, bathing the snow-capped peaks in hues of gold and pink. A sunrise view from Poon Hill is an unforgettable experience, one that makes every step of this trek worth it. Next on our list is the Langtang Valley Trek, an enchanting journey through a lush green valley. Imagine yourself treading along a path that winds through emerald forests, crossing babbling brooks, and gazing at majestic snow-capped peaks. This is the Langtang Valley Trek, a remarkable blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Just a stone's throw away from Kathmandu, this trek is readily accessible, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The trail takes you through the heart of the Langtang Valley, often referred to as the Valley of Glaciers. Here, you'll be treated to a spectacular display of towering mountains and sprawling meadows that stretch as far as the eye can see. The trek isn't just about the landscapes, though. It's also a wildlife haven. From the elusive red panda to the majestic Himalayan tahr, this trek offers an opportunity to encounter a variety of wildlife in their natural habitat. The journey culminates with a visit to the Kianjin Gompa, a centuries-old Buddhist monastery. Here, you can immerse yourself in the tranquility of the surroundings and gain insights into the rich Buddhist culture. With its easy accessibility and diverse landscapes, the Langtang Valley Trek is a must-try for any beginner. For those short on time, the Chisapani Nagarkot Trek is the perfect choice. Now let's immerse ourselves in the magic of this trail. Uniquely designed for beginners, it's a gentle 3-day journey through the heart of Nepal's natural splendor. The Chisapani Nagarkot Trek is a fantastic blend of cultural immersion and awe-inspiring vistas. It's not just about the trek, it's about the journey. A journey through lush forests, traditional villages and terraced farmlands. The difficulty level? Moderate at most. It's a trek that respects your pace, yet rewards you generously with a breathtaking panorama of the Himalayan range. But the true gem of this trek? The stunning views of sunrise and sunset from Nagarkot. Imagine standing at the edge of the world with the first rays of the sun painting the peaks of the Himalayas in hues of gold. Or watching the sun set, leaving a trail of fiery orange and pink against the silhouetted mountains. The Chisapani Nagarkot Trek is not just a walk, it's an experience. An experience that introduces you to the grandeur of the Himalayas, the charm of Nepalese culture, and the sheer joy of trekking. Despite its short duration, the Chisapani Nagarkot trek offers an incredible introduction to the beauty of Nepal's landscapes. Last but certainly not least, the Everest View trek offers beginners a taste of the ultimate trekking experience. Nestled in the heart of the Khumbu region, this trek is a shorter, less strenuous alternative to the full Everest Base Camp trek, yet it boasts equally spectacular views of the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. The Everest View trek is a journey through verdant forests, across sparkling streams and past quaint Sherpa villages. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Sherpa people, who are renowned for their mountaineering skills and resilience in the face of the harsh Himalayan environment. Here, you can sample traditional Sherpa cuisine, witness their vibrant festivals, and learn about their fascinating folklore. But what truly sets the Everest View trek apart is its accessibility to beginners. The trail is well marked and relatively easy to navigate, with a manageable ascent that won't leave you gasping for breath. Moreover, this trek offers ample opportunities for acclimatization, reducing the risk of altitude sickness, a common concern among novice trekkers. The trail offers a trove of visual delights, from the snow-capped peaks of Everest, Lhotse and Ama Dablam, to the emerald green valleys cradled by these towering giants. Along the way you'll encounter beautiful monasteries, like the famed Tengbosha Monastery, where the rhythmic chants of Buddhist monks create a serene and spiritual atmosphere. This trek is not just a physical journey, but a spiritual one too. As you walk the trails that countless Sherpas and mountaineers have trodden before, you'll feel a sense of connection to the land and its people, a connection that transcends the physical realm. The Everest View trek is a testament to the fact that the journey is just as important as the destination. It's the perfect trail to end your beginner's trekking adventure in Nepal.